Hello everybody and welcome back to our Posworx training. Today I'm going to be showing you on how to process a sale with a price change. Let's begin by logging onto our sales screen. I'm going to log in using my fingerprint reader and I'm going to be typing out a code. So I've typed out a code and my item is 399 Rand. I'm going to change this price to 350. If I press enter, a password pop-up box appears like this. Please note, not all staff are authorized to change a price. You would need a manager or it would depend on your user rights. I'm going to authorize this price change using my fingerprint reader. And I'm going to continue with the sale by selecting F5 to take me to my tender screen. This is a cash sale, so I'm going to use my shortcut F1 and I'm going to conclude the sale by pressing F5. I'm now going to show you how to process a sale with a discount. Let's log onto our sales screen. So I'm going to log in using my fingerprint reader and I'm going to scan in an item. So I've scanned in a single item and I would like to discount this item. There are two ways in which you can discount this. You can click on the discount box and you can type in 5% or 10%, or you can click on the bottom where it says discount or press F4 as a shortcut. If I select discount, it gives me a percentage discount first. I can type in 10% on that percentage discount and it will discount this item by 10%. There's also a value discount. A value discount is if you would like to take off an amount like 20 Rand or 50 Rand off the sale. You can select value discount. A sell-for discount is if a customer is buying one or many items and they would like you to round it up. For example, if the sale here is 449 Rand and a customer would like you to round it up to 420 Rand. So you would type in 420 Rand here to round up the sale. In our case, we're doing a percentage discount. So I'm going to click on percentage discount and I'm going to click 10 and I'm going to click OK. A password pop-up screen will appear. I will need to select a reason. I'm going to select other and type in display item. You can type in a password, but I'm going to use my fingerprint reader to authorize this discount. As you see, my item has been discounted, less 10%, and my item is now 404 Rand 10 cents. I'm going to select F5. And my payment method is a credit card payment, so I'm going to select F2 and F5 to conclude my sale. I'm now going to show you how to process a discount over an entire sale. Let's log on to our sales screen. I'm logging in with my fingerprint reader and I'm going to scan in a few items. I'm going to type in some codes. So I have a few items on my sales screen as you see, and I want to discount this entire sale. So I will click discount again on the bottom, and I want to discount this entire sale for 5% on each item. So I'm going to select 5, and as soon as you click OK, a password pop-up would appear. You would need to select a reason from the drop-down. I'm going to select promotion, and I'm going to use my fingerprint reader to authorize this discount. As you see, each sale has been discounted by 5%, and my total is now 1,544 Rand 70 cents. I'm going to select F5. This is a credit card payment, so I'm going to select my shortcut F2 and F5 to conclude my sale. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.